Next model is item number 053514. It is a Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis Railway 484 yellow jacket steam locomotive and tender. This is from Overland Models built by Anjin in Korea. This is part of a 2001 run. There were 100 made. This is number 63. This has operating directional lights and full in-cab detail, and also has a CAN motor and additionally a dual mode NC&STL decoder installed. We are running this now on a DC track. This model is available at brasstrains.com. The item number is 053514.